Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shiny. Thank you for watching my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe. So today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous wig from Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Crush in the color 2T425. Just by eyeballing this wig, I say this wig is about at least 26 inches. This is a very long wig, really wavy. The color is beautiful. I recommend this wig just because if you're into color, this is perfect for the spring, summertime. Now, this wig does come with 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. And it also comes with an elastic band, which is very good. Keep your wig very tight and secure. And this wig, you can heat up to 400 degrees with your flat irons. And the parting space is beautiful. It's no plucking required. You can do side part, middle part, top bun, whatever you like. As you can see there, I didn't want to mess her up because I just took her out the package. I just wanted to show you guys kind of the parting space. Really good. And it's just a beautiful wig. The color definitely pops, especially in the light. I could have had better lighting. I was using kind of natural sunlight, but I recommend this. Like I said, if you like color, you want to try different stuff, and I'll just insert a few pics so you can see. And thank you for subscribing. I'll definitely be having another video of how it hold up.